Welcome to another home tour by Ohmyhome. Today we are at District 3 along Prince Charles Crescent to show you a beautiful designer 2-bedroom that is decked out like a hotel suite. Principal Garden is a joint development by United Overseas Land and Keng Leong Group. Completed in 2019, it is one of the biggest condominium in District 3, occupying nearly 270,000 square feet of land. The development consists of 4 24-story towers with a total of 663 units ranging from 1 to 5 bedrooms. The uniqueness of this development is the use of 80-20 garden living concept, where the towers and facility occupies only 20% of the project's total land area. Another feature is that a second level unit starts from 50 meters high to offer privacy and better views. The advantage of living in a big development is its facilities, which includes tennis court, half basketball court, multiple swimming pools, indoor and outdoor gyms, karaoke rooms, wine cellar, barbecue pits, function rooms with dry and wet kitchen. The 24-story Principal Sky Club features a pool, private jacuzzi and private dining pavilion. Nestled in a quiet enclave overlooking the Alexandra Canal, Principal Garden sits in between Bishopsgate, Alexandra and the Chatsworth Park Good Class Bungalow Estate. This location is so convenient. It is just minutes from Redhill MRT station, a short drive to the CTE and AYE, within walking distance of supermarkets, wet markets, hawker centres and school, and a short distance from Orchard Road, CBD and trendy Tiong Bahru. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 764 square feet unit. It is compact but not small. I remember my first impression when I first saw this unit was how much it resembles a hotel room suite. Let me show you. The owner installed this huge shoe cabinet, large enough to contain at least 40 pairs of shoes. Doesn't this remind you of a hotel room? I was half expecting to see a bar fridge here. And this galley kitchen. Simple, easy to maintain, great for simple meals like pasta. You can even manage some baking like banana loaf or chicken pot pie. The washer-dryer combo is cleverly tucked away over here. Now, when it comes to tiny living, space planning is key, and this unit is a great example where everyday necessities can be enclosed and kept out of sight for a clutter-free living. The owners loved what they saw at the show flat, and once they collected their keys, they immediately appointed an interior designer, and the brief was simple: make my home a show flat. Check out these panel works. Modern contemporary style, dark color scheme is so trendy right now and much sought after by stylish buyers. The developer has also installed ducted air conditioning in the living and dining room space, befitting of the high-end development. In order to blend in with the quality finishes that the developer has provided, the owner insisted on using marble for this TV console. This balcony space is just nice for a 2-seater outdoor area. It's not too big, and you can even put in a swing if you like. It does offer you an unblocked view because the developments in front are only going to be 5 stories high. And look what's over there. Now this is the second bedroom. It's slightly smaller than the original plan because the owner did something to it, which I'll explain to you in a bit. But currently it measures 2.2 in width and 3.1 meters in length, which is still good enough to put in your super single size bed here to here. And then you can have your desk over here, and then you can have a wardrobe over there. Alternatively, you can also turn this into an office, a music room, a yoga room, or maybe your own walk-in wardrobe. And you might expect small bathrooms in a 764 square feet unit, but no, this space is awesome. You've got plenty of storage and fittings by Hans Grohe. As mentioned earlier, the owners did some alteration to the original floor plan. Well, what they did was they stole 30 cm of length from the other room to accommodate this 6-panel wardrobe. Let me show you. And this is a king-size storage bed with 2 side tables. And if you remember, the owners wanted it to look like a showroom. Well, this accessory cabinet is just the in thing right now. It's in all the showrooms. So for a lady owner, this is where you will store your diamonds and pearls. And for a gentleman owner, this is where you can keep your Rolex and APs. But as a couple, well, you can share. And finally, the master bathroom. Slightly bigger than the common bathroom, but it has got the equal amount of storage space. Quality fittings by Hans Grohe. This is very generous for one person and comfortable for 2. This 2-bed, 2-bath unit is the most competitively priced unit in this entire development. It comes lock, stock, barrel with all these wonderfully thought through interior designs. So if you don't want to be saddled with inflated renovation costs or be stressed over delayed schedules, then consider this unit because it is ready to move in, it's stylish, it's a must view for you. It's like coming home to your own staycation. So if you like what you see, contact us at 6886-9009 and one of our super agents will be in touch with you shortly. Well, till our next home tour, thank you for seeing and we'll see you next time.